Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make a Kerala dish which is called Pulisheri. Pulisheri is otherwise a buttermilk which is made with coconut as well as with cucumber. But over here we have not used cucumber, but we have used chow chow, or it is called Bangalore brinjal. So with this we have made a pulisheri, and this is very tasty side dish. It's a yellow colored gravy that can be had with rice. It's a very tasty dish. So we'll show you in this video how we are making it. So come on, let's watch this video together and let's make this pulisheri. Would you like to make pulisheri or buttermilk for lunch? This which could be a great gravy for your rice. So we'll show you how to do it. To make pulisheri or buttermilk, we can use any vegetable, and we have used chow chow this time. And this chow chow is around 250 grams. This chow chow or Bangalore brinjal is now chopped into small pieces. Or the next step is to take a pressure cooker, place all the cut Bangalore brinjal or chow chow into the pressure cooker. The next step is to add curry leaves. We have got a few curry leaves that we'll be placing in the pressure cooker. The next is to add 200 ml of water. Ensure that the vegetables are submerged in the water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. The next is to close the pressure cooker. The next step is to place it on the stove and let it boil for 5 minutes after the whistle sound. Now we heard the whistle sound. Next we need to lower the stove and cook this vegetable for 5 minutes. Now it's 5 minutes. Now we are going to switch off our stove. And we'll wait for our vegetable to cool down before opening the pressure cooker pan. Now to make the gravy, need to chop ½ inch of ginger into small pieces. Next, we have to add few garlic. Now we have chopped 4 to 5 green chilies into small pieces. This too we will be adding it into the mixie. Next we have around 200 grams of grated coconut that we have grated over here. Now this too will be added in the mixie. ½ teaspoon of jeera. We have added ½ teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. And next is ¼ teaspoon of turmeric that we will be adding. Add 100 ml of water for the grinding process. Now our ingredients of coconut is finely ground, and this is how it has to be. You can add water if required to make the consistency smooth. Now it's been some time and the vegetable has the pressure cooker has cooled down. Now we need to check whether our vegetable is cooked. In fact, our Bangalore brinjal is cooked. So it shows it is cooked, and then we'll proceed with the next step. The next step is to mash our vegetables. Mash our vegetables with a masher. The next step is to add the ground coconut mixture that we have ground previously in our mixie. Next we have added it along with the Bangalore brinjal. Next we mix all these ingredients together. Now we have added all the ingredients. The next step is to boil this vegetables along with the coconut mixture for some time. As the mixture boils, or as the ingredients boils, we need to stir it occasionally. The salt is a little bit less. We have added 1 more teaspoon of salt for taste. Now our ingredients started boiling. Next we need to stir it a bit and reduce it to half flame or low flame. Now, just to avoid our washing of a mixie, we can add the curd. We have got around 500 ml of curd. We can add it into the same mixie that we have ground our coconut. Now we have added the curd into the mixie jar, and next we are going to do is to whip this a bit before adding it with our coconut and Bangalore brinjal ingredients. Now we have whipped our curd, and now the final step is to add the whipped curd along with the boiling Bangalore brinjal and coconut ingredients. Next we need to stir all these ingredients together. After adding the curd along with the coconut ingredients as well as the Bangalore brinjal, please ensure that it does not boil now, else our pulisheri or buttermilk will get spoiled. Now our buttermilk is ready, or pulisheri is ready. Next we need to take it off the stove, and next we need to start with the garnishing of this buttermilk or pulisheri. Now for the garnishing of this pulisheri, first we need to take an empty and clean pan. Pan is hot. We add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and we wait for it to get hot and melt. Now we wait for the oil to get heated, and now the oil is hot. Next we add half a teaspoon of mustard. This is the first step to the seasoning process of the pulisheri. Now, and we wait for it to splutter. We add 1 teaspoon of onions. Next we need to stir it a bit until they are brown in color. Now our onions are brown in color, and next we need to switch off the stove and add this seasoning as a garnishing onto our pulisheri. Now we have added the seasoning with the pulisheri and we need to mix it together. Now a pulisheri of buttermilk is ready to be served, and this can be had with rice. You can even add it with beef fry or with any other vegetable. It's a very good combination for a lunch or dinner. We hope you liked watching our video how to make pulisheri, and we also encourage you to try this at home. So if it comes out perfectly fine, please let us know in the comment section below, and we will be happy to thank you for this. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you find our video is really useful and informative, please forward it to your friends too. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.